one of the strongest advocates for social justice, LGBT youth, HIV or AIDS prevention, and culture and arts, Councilor Coco Alinsug. Let's give him again a warm of applause. All right. Okay, this time we would like to hear a message.
In fact, the City of Pasay sent 10 of their students to visit us. So, ito magsurya lang yata, Counselor, we will start the negotiations in 5 years from now. Although, but that doesn't mean that we're exchanging of opportunities in the future. The sister city programs actually should have 20.
Mag-groundbreaking pa siya. Groundbreaking sila sa doctors pero namin naigiandang sa ako lang naman silang delivery. Nabuhat si Dr. Lara sa Bandung. Naduman mo. I am Mandawi. I am Mandawi. Mapasigan ko Mandawi. I am Mandawi. Maapi Mandawi. Mapasigan ko Mandawi. I am Mandawi. Maapi Mandawi. Matulipot ang kasaysayan, mauswag na dakbayan, mapunalagang taktimin ka, mga pagkaulamian na bantugma, galit ka mo sa Mandawi, ang kadasing imong masinabi, akin Mandawi, stands with me, I am Malabuon na dakbayan, pahalin sa lalawigan. Mahalin ang talanabot, ating masulong sa Mandawi karon. Makukihon ang katawan. I am Mandawi, mapasigan ko Mandawi. I am Mandawi, maapi-api Mandawi. Mabulukot ang kasaysayan, masagod na dakbayan, mapanggang Mandawi, my heart belongs to the city.
All right, let's give them a round of applause. Mandaue City and the City of Lynn.
Sila mo good overpower.
Good morning, everyone. May I request everyone to settle down as we are about to start our flag raising ceremony, and kindly remain after the flag raising ceremony for a short program to welcome our distinguished guests from the city of Lynn, Massachusetts, USA.
Mamumahon o gamitnon namong amahan. Daghan kayong salamat sa mga grasya na among nadawat o sa amo pang pagadawaton. Salamat amahan ning maanindot na panahon na among natagamtam karon o sa paghatag nimo kanamo sa grasya sa kinabuhi o sa maayong panlawas. Ang matag usa kanamo ang tagsatagsa namo kapamilya, ilabi na ang mga opisyales sa among pinalangga nga dakbayan nga mao'y nagdala sa renda sa pangagamhanan. Nasayod kami Ginoo nga wala kami mabuhat kung wala ikaw. Busa kining tanan dili lamang
katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisa na may dagal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinagkikilos ng sambayanang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa.
Sa kagamhanan sa dakbayan sa Mandaue, andam nga moalagad nga maligdong, pinaagi sa pagtambungog sayo sa akong trabaho o kapin paniini kung gikinahanglan. Busa, ampingan ko ang mga butang o kahimanan, ug uban pa nga gipiyal kanako sa kagamhanan, ug andam ako nga musulti batok sa mga salawayon nga buhat nga pagpahimulos sa katungdanan. Dili ako mangayo, umudawat sa unsa man nga tanyag o haylo. Dili na ako gamito ng akong kahibalo o katakos aron lang pagpalambo sa akong kaugalingon nga tinusbawan, pinaagi sa pagpanlubi. Tungod ni ini, ako musaad og manumpa sa kinasing-kasing nga mualagad nga walay pinalabi ug pagpinig ni bisan kinsa. Ug tahuron ang mga punuan nga naghatag nako kahigayunan sa pagsilbi sa katawhan aron dili mabulingan ang balaan nga ngalan sa Mandawi nga akong dakbayan. Busa, langit nun ug makagagahong na amahan. Tabangi ako niining tahas sa pangatungdanan. Nagisangon kanako sa way pagpanuko o pagduha-duha. Hinaot Paula.
Mandawi ang among dakbayan, garbo alang sa tanan. Nagkulagway sa kalampusan, pasalig nga natuman. Ang katapong o kadungganan, hiyas nga diang pinapantog o kasulundon. Ngiti nga ang panggaon, hangtod sa kamatayon among mahalon Mandawi nga bililhon.
Give him an eminent, warm welcome. Let's give it up to the Mandawi City Cultural Dance Troupe.
Cortez, ang amahan sa sangguniang panglungsod, ang kaabag, gid mo babag, si Vice Mayor Glenn Oano Persede, native of Mandawi City. He is born to former Vice Mayor and Councilor Ember Alinsug and to Esther Quizon Alinsug. He is the apo. His grandfather Aurelio is the son of Julio Alinsug, where there is a street named in Basak after him, o kanang istatwa nga nasa tubangan sa Lady of Fatima Parish. Iyan ang apuhan nga si Julio, kay sila mao'y nagdonar sa yuta nga na mao'y gibarugan sa atong simbahan sa Lady of Fatima diha sa Basak. His grandmother Felisa was also the first woman councilor of Consolacion in 1950 ug apo sa di pag-umangkon sa disya ni Al Alinsug, a former city councilor dinhi sa Mandawi and a publisher of the Visayan Herald. Generations of public servants who held public office from his grandparents, his great-grandparents, and his forefathers, and from his father, Coco, still recalls the words of his father, Ember, when he told him, when he left for the United States in 1996, to follow his footsteps and enter into politics. And truly, indeed, he proved himself that he can still gratefully continue the family's legacy of service. Our honored guest this morning is the City Councilor of Ward 8 in Lynn, Massachusetts, and is a proud Mandawihanon, a product of the Alinsug Fest team. To join me on stage, City Councilor Constantino Coco Alinsug, and with the City Council headed by our Vice Mayor as I read our Sangguniang Panglusod Resolution. So may I ask our City Council members to join me here with the Vice Mayor and our guest of honor. And I request also our City Mayor to join us here on this very memorable occasion. Hall of Fame on July 24, 2023. Present were our Vice Mayor Glenn Bercede, Chairman and Presiding Officer, Councilor Nerissa Corazon Su Ruiz, President Pro Tempore, Councilor Malcolm Sanchez, Assistant Majority Floor Leader, Councilor Jimmy Lumapas, Majority Floor Leader, Councilor Jesus Arcilia Jr., Member, Councilor Member, Councilor Jennifer Del Mar, Member, Councilor Joel Seno, Member, Councilor Cesar Y. Cabajo Jr., Member, Councilor Andreo O. Italina, Member, Councilor Editha Cabahug, Minority Floor Leader, Councilor Oscar J. Del Castillo Jr., Member, Punong Barangay, Ernie Manatad, Liga ng Barangay President. Absent was SK Chairman Dali Kabatingan. She was on special privilege leave. Resolution number 16-74 Alinsug for being the first Filipino and first openly gay elected member of the City Council of Lynn, Massachusetts, USA, consequently bringing pride to the Cebuano community. Whereas City Councilor Constantino Coco Alinsug is a native of Cebu and a descendant of the Alinsug family of Basak, Mandawi City, is the son and grandson of politicians and community workers in the municipality of Consolacion, Cebu. He was the founding leader of the National Youth Commission of the Philippines and was part of the staff of former President Fidel V. Ramos. Whereas he migrated to the United States of America in 1996, he and his husband Peter moved to Lynn, Massachusetts and bought their home in the East Lynn area of the Massachusetts Commission on LGBTQ Youth and a community worker. Whereas he devoted himself to social justice, HIV/AIDS prevention, LGBT youth, and culture and arts, in which he had received recognition both nationally and internationally for his tireless work. He served as Executive Director of the North Shore Alliance of the LGBT Youth for 10 years. Whereas he also received several local international awards, which include Cebu's Outstanding Youth Leaders, the HVTN's Octavio Valente Jr. Volunteer Service Award. This is the award in honor of Octavio Valente, a community worker from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The Spirit Award from Nagle, and the Outstanding Asian Pacific Community Leader from the Massachusetts API for Health. Coco Alinsug was elected on November 2021 at Lynn, Massachusetts. He's the first Filipino and first openly gay elected in New England, which includes Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Maine, New Hampshire, Connecticut, and Vermont, USA. Whereas he was elected state committee man for the Massachusetts Democratic Party and currently serves in various groups, boards, and community organizations, ranging from culture and the arts to community television to neighborhood organizations like the Lynn Community Association Incorporated and the Goldfish Pond Association, wherein he sits as one of the board of directors of the administration of Mayor Jonas C. Cortez and the Mandawi City government, to give recognition and appreciation to those who have brought honor and pride to the city of Mandawi and its constituents. Wherefore, on motion of Councilor Jimmy C. Lumapas, duly seconded by Councilors Nerissa Sun Ruiz, Marie Emeline Cortez Zafra, Cynthia Cinco Remedio, Ernie Manatad, and Oscar Del Castillo Jr., resolved as it is hereby resolved to congratulate and commend City Councilor Constantino Coco Alinsug for being the first Filipino and first openly gay elected member of the City Council of Lynn, Massachusetts, USA, and consequently bringing pride to the Cebuano community. Resolve further to request the City SB Secretary, as she is hereby requested, to effect an accelerated finalization and release of the excerpts embodying this resolution as an exception to the general rule that is, without waiting for the approval, ratification, and signing with the SB members of the journal proceedings pertaining to the 5th session.
All right, again, let's give them a warm applause. Thank you so much, Councilor Mary. Indeed, the city of Mandaue is...
To our honored guests, Vice Mayor Glenn Mercede, City Councilors of Mandaue, Department Heads, my fellow servant leaders, kanatong tanan, mayong buntag. Your connection to our community makes your achievements all the more meaningful. Your family's legacy of public service.
And definitely, we would also love to hear a message from our honored guest this morning, Councilor Constantino Coco Alinsu.
Salamat. Makatipara ko kay di ko kaklaro na. Mayor Cortez, Vice Mayor Mercede, members of the Mandaue City Council, department heads and residents of Mandaue, mayong buntag kaninyong tanan. I am so honored and privileged to be invited here and to be in the same ground and city where my family started. My name is Constantino Coco Alinsug, a product of the Alinsugs of Basak. Pagumangkon ni Kanhi Al Alinsog na konsehal sa Mandaue, apo ni Aurelio Ceniza Alinsog, na anak ni Julio Soco Alinsog na taga Basak, o ni Delphine Visabilia, who hails from Labugon, ang Pagdaan. There's a street in Basak that I usually go as a kid, and my dad, I remember, always brings us there and always say the word, Inyo ning apuhan. This in recognition of his work and my family's service in Mandaue, which is now being continued by my uncle, Basak Councilor Ruben Sanchez. I am duly elected City Councilor of the City of Lynn, which is the biggest city in the Essex County in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts and part of the suburb of Metro Boston area. Thank you. From an early age, I was taught to place high value on family, community, and service. My dad, Ember Suk, who is present here with my mom, Esther, together with my family, mga tiya and tiyo nako nga gikan pagyutaw sa Konsolasyon ng uban, was instrumental in my development as a politician. I still remember in so many instances of Inday Nerissa Sun Ruiz, then Congresswoman, mag-meeting ganin ni silang duha akong papa authorized by them talking about politics. I learned a lot from them. I learned a lot from you, Daineri. Obviously, service to community runs in my family. I remember people from all walks of life surrounding my home, waiting to speak to my dad. I learned the importance of a leader who respects and listens carefully to constituents. In 1989, I was awarded a scholarship to travel throughout Asia, to learn about the lives of people in the countries. In 1996, I was sent to the United Nations by President Fidel Ramos. That was my first exposure to America. I fell in love with America. Because all of the United States offered, I moved there. Moving to America was not without its challenges. Like many first-generation immigrants, I had to piece together low-paying jobs. I waded through many New England blizzards for public transportation. I could not count the number of times I cried, longing to come home to the Philippines because my train left me in the middle of a snowstorm. America is not always the place of opportunity. You have to work hard for it. Trust and respect. Even now, I see my experiences in those of other people, and I am dedicated to doing all that I can to lessen disadvantage. I've been there. I know how that feels. Mr. Mayor, Mr. Vice Mayor, members of the City Council, my city of Lynn was founded by hardworking immigrants who in the 1600s came to America to find their destiny. My city of Lynn is known as being called the City of First. Engine in America was built in Lynn in 1654. The first electric streetcar, the first jet airplane in the US was built at Lynn's General Electric plant in 1942. The first baseball game under artificial lights, the first dance academy in the US was based in Lynn, Massachusetts. The first tannery, the first air marshal. I can go on and on and on and on. In 2021, the people of Lynn elected the first Filipino city councilor in New England. That is an accomplishment that I will always treasure the rest of my life. As a Filipino American, I have a duty to share this story. My city is home to immigrants coming from 100 countries. As a city councilor who is an immigrant and a foreign-born, to be their voice, I embraced my adopted country of America and served it with honor and dignity. But one thing that I will always be reminded is that I am a Filipino, a proud Mandawihanon, and a proud Cebuano. Because whatever I do in my city reflects who I am as a Filipino, and I will always proud to say that. This warm reception and recognition, this is a very historic occasion, and I will always remember this moment. And if you happen to be in Massachusetts, please do not hesitate to let me know. I'm looking forward for future conversation regarding Sister City program and relationships between Lynn and Mandawi. Mabuhay kitang mga Cebuanon. Daghang salamat.
Thank you, Councilor Coco Alinsug. Now we would like to request our Mayor